Back to our daily dive into AI. I am Raj, a senior data scientist working on deep learning and AI. Let's explore the building blocks of AI one video at a time. Let's start this journey of AI with the fundamental concept of perceptron, which is a building block of artificial intelligence. Let's break this down into simple terms. Imagine you're deciding whether to bring an umbrella when leaving the house. You consider two factors. One, is it cloudy outside? Two, whether did you receive any weather alert on your phone? Now the perceptron works similarly. It takes inputs, in this case whether it is cloudy outside or not, and if there is a weather alert or not, and then assigns a weight W1 and W2 and combines them and makes a decision. So you basically combine these weights and then you make a decision out, and if it's above a certain threshold value. So this threshold value is usually set by the developer, or it can also be calculated in the process. So now let's assume the input one in this case is it cloudy, which is a binary value. Input 2, weather alert, 0 or 1, and then the perceptron as assigned a weight for the W1 as 0.6, W2 as 0.8. So the threshold from the developer is 0.9. Output is input 1 into W1 plus input 2 into W2. In this case, let's say we had a cloudy outside with 0.6, and then there was a weather alert, so we are multiplying that with 1, and then the final value is 1.4, so which is greater than 0.9. So we say yes, we need to carry an umbrella outside. So the perceptron is like a decision maker here. It takes the inputs, which is cloudy and weather alert, and multiplies them with the weight which has been learned during the training process, and then it combines these results, compares it against the threshold value of 0.9 here, and then makes a decision. So let's 0.6 and 0.8 were just arbitrarily chosen value to demonstrate, but let's understand how these weights are assigned finally. So training data, you start with a data set where each input is labeled with correct output. So let's say whether to bring an umbrella or not to bring an umbrella. So let's say your x1 and x2 and y. So x1 being cloudy, 1, and then the output is 1. If it is 0 and 1, you still say 1. So for instance, I'm just making this up. These are like your trained label data. Then the initial weights, the perceptron starts with an initial weight. If it's 0 or some random weights, it applies a decision rule. For each training example, the perceptron computes the weights, this weighted sum of inputs. It applies a decision rule. Is the sum greater than or equal to the threshold set? And then it does an error calculation. And then further it goes back and updates the weights from the error calculation. This is an iterative process. This keeps happening to and fro until the output of perceptron matches the actual output. So this is how the perceptron works. I hope you enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for more videos on AI. Thank you.